Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about MySQL. It is also known as database, which will be used in every sector. So this is a basic video of MySQL. So you can see this platform. This is the MySQL platform, and here you can see at the left side we have three databases: interview, practice, and SYS. So we are going to use practice. So to use practice, this is a database. So in this database there is information. We need to know what information is stored in this database. Okay, to know this database we need to use practice db. Okay, then we need to run the query. It got executed. How you get to know? You can see a blue color checkbox checked in the below here, and you can see this is expanded. And let me close this one, and you can see we have tables, views, stored, and function. So all the information will be there in the tables. We'll expand it. In the tables we have four tables: customers, order, items, orders, and product. This is all related to one product. Okay, so first thing is done. This is a basic step you need to use while using any database. Okay, you need to use practice db. Then after that we need to know about customers table. To know the customer tables we need to enter a query: select statement, select star from customers. Okay, so we need to copy and we need to run. We need to select and run. This is, you can see a thunder symbol in yellow color. This is a thing which will be run the query. Okay, we have clicked and it got executed and we can see the results. Okay, and here also you can see the green color checkbox. Okay, so what is the information is stored is customers ID, customer ID, first name, last name, email ID, and joining date. Okay, that's cool. Let's see another table is order items. Okay, what are the information is stored in order items? We'll check. Same thing, select star from order items. Okay, select it, run it. We got information. See, order item IDs. Order ID is different, order item IDs are different. You can see different. See here we have 10, 2, 11, 3, 12, 4. This is different, and product ID, quantity, and price. Okay, that's good. After that we need to check orders. Select, run this query, got executed. Order ID, customer ID, order date, total amount. Okay, the last one is products. Okay, select and run the query. So what is a C? Product. Here we got an R. Okay, that's why the query is not executed. You can see red symbol here. Okay, so whatever you are extracting the data, the table name should be exact. Okay, just select, run the query. You got the information related to product ID, product name, price, category. That's fine. So we'll go back to the customers table. We'll run the query. We got it. So in interview the person will ask, just I need customer ID, first name, and joining date. No, he don't need of last name and email ID. So how we can do? I'll show you the thing. Just select. Now he need customer ID. Okay, then he need first name, then he need join date from customers. Okay, let's once again see customer ID, first name and join date from customer table. So why we took from customers, we need from customers table. Okay, yes, we'll run the query. We got it, we can see, right? So in the same way, if we want to know about, if we give here hashtag, this query will get freezed. In the next time it won't get executed. Okay, so here we'll do orders. We'll check orders. We'll run it. Here we got how many tables? 1 2 3 4. Okay, order ID, customer ID, order date, total, amount. Okay, same person, interview person is asking me to give me an output of order ID and total amount. So what we need to do, order ID, total amount. We have to remove rest of all. We need to remember share, we need to remove customers and give order table. Then only this query will get executed, because order ID and total amount will be stored in orders table. Okay, select, run the query, we got it. Okay, let's check one more table. This is products. Let me check. Yes, run. Now in the product table we got product ID, product name, price, category. So we need product name and price. Okay, yeah, product name and price. Okay, from product table. Let me check product name and price. Let's run the query. Now we got product name and product price. So this is the this video contains select statement. Okay, so this is the basic queries which we need to know before using MySQL or SQL. Okay, so this is a basic video. For next video we'll be going to learn more about the MySQL, as well as we'll go for the advanced level.